Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Ben 10 Dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Ben 10 Dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, me and Ben 10 become the best of friends. And you guys actually want to know a fun fact about Ben 10 that not a lot of people know? His name is actually Ben 10 because he can turn into 10 different aliens. Not a lot of people know that. You have to be a close friend with Ben 10 like me to know that, guys. But it kind of makes me question, like, what if he couldn't turn into aliens? Would his name just be Ben? Would he just be a regular Ben? He probably would, guys. He probably would. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 lime wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your lime wool, just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead, run, and jump on up, grab your lime wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 white wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down, son of my buns. That really hurt, guys. That really did hurt. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 lime wool on this side. And then 5 lime wool smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 white wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down. And take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. Wow, that really does look amazing. But now it's time to head into the Ben 10 Dimension. This is going to be so amazing. Oh my chicken nuggets with sweet and sour dipping sauce. I knew this dimension was going to be amazing. I did not expect it to be this amazing, guys. Oh my god, just take a look at Ben 10's house. This is amazing. I know what I gotta do first, though, guys. I know what I gotta do first. I gotta see what's inside his mailbox. I got to, guys, and oh my god! There's a cooked chicken. Who goes around putting cooked chicken inside people's mailboxes? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, chicken. He'll probably never look at me again. And the only time that he will look at me will be in disgust. Because I just ate one of his family members. I'm so sorry, chicken. I'm just going to give him some time. But let's go ahead and let's head inside Ben 10's house. Oh my God, guys. The inside of Ben 10's house is even nicer than the outside. I mean, just take a look at this humongous sofa with this absolutely ginormous television. Oh my God, guys, I could just sit back on this for the rest of my life and watch old episodes of Ben 10. I could do that for the rest of my life. You know who else could do that for the rest of their life? My pig. He could definitely do that for the rest of his life. But let's go ahead and let's check out Ben 10's house. This must be his kitchen, guys. Wow, he got a really nice kitchen. Wow, I love his double sinks. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go for a swim. I'm gonna go for a swim in his sink if I can get down in his sink. Oh my God. There we go, guys. There we go. This ain't strange at all. This ain't strange at all. And oh my God. No, Ben 10. Ben 10, I wasn't trying to take a bath in your sink. I was just trying to go for a swim. I promise. I promise. I did not wash my dirty butt in your sink. I'm so sorry. Please be friends with me. Teach me the ways of the Ben 10. I want to change my name to Smooth Marky 10, and then I want to be able to turn into 10 different aliens. I'd be so much cooler if I could do that. Like, if I could turn into, like, an alien pig? Could you imagine that if I was an alien pig? That would be so cool. That would be so much cooler than a regular pig, wouldn't it? I don't think he wants to talk to me. I don't think he wants to talk to me. But let's go ahead and let's finish checking out his place. This is obviously where him and his family eat. And I could definitely see myself eating at this table. I could also see myself shaking my butt on this table. Shaking my butt all around this table, guys. Doing the Smooth Marky dance. Because I love dancing on kitchen tables, guys. It's like the only thing I do. The only thing I do. It's like the only thing I know how to do. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry if I'm embarrassing you, pig. He's never going to forgive me for this. He's never going to forgive me for this. I'm so sorry, pig. He's probably forgot by now. But wow, I really love this, guys. What is this? I think this is like a fireplace. This is really cool, guys. I really love that. But let's go ahead and finish checking this place out. Whose bedroom is this? This must be his dad's bedroom. Wow, this is really nice, guys. This is a really nice bedroom. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this chest. Potatoes. Really? Potatoes? And flower pots? What are they going to do? Grow potatoes? You know what? I'm going to go ahead and pick these bad ones out. Because I don't want anybody eating poisonous potatoes, guys. It's just not healthy. It's just not healthy, guys. Well, I didn't do anything to me. Maybe I'm immune. Oh my God, I'm not immune. I'm not immune to poisonous potatoes. Oh my God, guys. I shouldn't have did that. I really shouldn't have did that. There for a minute, I thought I might have had immunity from poisonous potatoes, but no. No, I don't. Is this your bedroom, Ben 10? Oh, it is. Wow, this is a really nice bedroom. Wow, I really love this bed. Do you mind if I have a sleepover with you? Oh, he wants that, guys. He definitely wants that. Me and Ben 10's friends now. We're definitely friends now. And this must be his computer, guys, where he searches, you know, all of his stuff. I mean, God only knows what he searches, but he probably searches a lot of stuff on his computer. I know I would search a lot of stuff I would search a lot of stuff on his computer. Oh my god, he's looking at me like I want you out of my bedroom. Yeah, a lot of people don't want me to use their computer for some reason. I don't know what it is. I don't know why they don't want me to use their computer. All I would do on it is like play Minecraft and some other things that I don't want to talk about. But this must be this must be his vehicle. Wow, he got a really nice vehicle. I would love to go for a drive in this sometime. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this chest. Nothing. Nothing? What's inside this? Oh my god, I can't even open that chest? Are you kidding me? Nothing in that. Nothing in that. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put some enchanted apples in this one. That way when somebody's looking around, they'll be like, oh my god, there's enchanted apples inside this chest. I think I'll go ahead and have one. And they'd be so happy. Let's go ahead and let's throw this poison potato out because I don't want it. I don't want this poison potato. So let's go ahead and let's just get rid of that. Hopefully nobody finds that. Hopefully nobody finds that. But where you at, Ben 10? Wow. I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this house. I love Ben 10. He's a really cool guy. Are you trying to go for a bath in your sink? I think that's what he does, guys. I think that's why he got so upset at me when I was taking a bath, because he already takes baths in his sink. I mean, don't everybody? I mean, I've always said it. You can use a sink for anything. That's all you really need is just a sink. You can bath in it. You can... You know, I wouldn't suggest using it in the sink. I mean, oh, that would be pretty nasty. I mean, I wouldn't do that. Let's go ahead and see what's in his backyard. Wow, this is a really nice backyard. I could definitely see myself playing in this backyard. I'd put like a swing set right there and then like a slide right there. And this would be a really nice backyard for me. Yeah. I really love it. It's a nice big backyard. What do you think, Ben 10? Will you let me move in and live with you for the rest of your life? I don't think he wants that. I don't think he wants that. I think he thinks I'm too crazy. I mean I kind of am. Look at my pig. Even my pig has turned on me. What are you doing, pig? Are you hiding from me? Am I an embarrassment? Remember the good times, pig. Remember the good times. I loved you, and I fed you tons of carrots, and then you meet this Ben 10 guy once, and you're gonna turn on me? Guess what, pig? Nobody turns on me. Okay, well, I guess some people do. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.